Oh, hey guys. Okay. Oh, hey guys. I got distracted. We're gonna do some crashes. Even traffic crashes. Let's make it through the day. We're not gonna do all maps. They're too long. That would like take about an hour. We're not gonna use the mountain downhill. I wanna use the mountain. Mountain. Loading. There we go. Now we're gonna crash down. Ow. That hurts. Ooh. Oh no, he's gonna flip over. He actually did not flip over. Kind of cool. Boom. Ouch. He's not coming down. Let's do it again. This time to the other side. And we're gonna start with the second car. The black one is my car. I wanna do the dummy thing. Nah, I was just making a joke. I think it's gonna go for a stop. Well, he has 3 wheels, so he can still drive it. Right? What if he lost 2 wheels? Probably can't drive. Well, actually, you can still drive, you just can't steer. I think we're gonna have half a wheel. Yep, we have half a wheel. Let's see the damage from the other car. Okay. Now we're gonna go down the hill. Oh, not like this. He lost 2 wheels already. I think it's gonna lose all 4 wheels. It's the green car. He's gonna do it. What? Okay, 3 wheels. All 4 wheels. And he's upside down. Know what I'm gonna do, right? Look at this. Yeah, you know that. Oh my god. very damaged. Look at that. All squished in. Okay. I think we lost the herd. We lost one door. Oh, two doors. But he's going into another. Oh no, he got stuck. And I think we're gonna go for a stop too. Wait. Oh no, he lost his wheel. I didn't even see that. Oh my god, he lost 2 wheels. 2 wheels were collected. And he's got one more wheel. So it's actually really far. Oh no! What happened here? Yeah, this cannot drive. Let's go from here. Let's do the other side. Don't go in the pit. Oh no. Now let's try again. That was. Oh my. Where's the green car? Where's the green car? Okay. Fine. Another one. Although, Vominos, come on. Vominos, green car. Let's go. Oh no. Whoa! We are. I wanna crash a car that goes in over in. That's what I want to do. I'll be lost 4 wheels. Look at this. No, no, no. This is very, very squishy. Now, we are going to traffic car crashes. Only one. These are 2 maps. And I want to see what the city is. This is traffic, so I want to see. Oh no. What, he flips? He flips? Why does he flip? Okay. Oh, he flipped. Oh, he didn't flip. So is that truck. Oh my, it's making a pile. Wow! Did you see that car flip? He almost went upside down. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? Any cars coming? No, I think that's it. I think that's all the cars. Look at that. I'm going to try to do that. I think those cars will get themselves fixed. Wait, where'd I go? Oh my god! I just got my car damaged. I'm still driving. Oh my god! What? I didn't even talk the whole time. You can't. We got another one. And this time I'm just gonna skip the clashes. So, yeah. Oh my god! I didn't even see that! I lost control. Did I lose control? I don't think I lost control. I don't think I lost control. He gets another one. No, let's flash it. Oh my god. No! Oh my god. No, we're just going. No! No. Not at all. Let's do the island. More safer. This is big. This road is so small. Is it supposed to be small or what? So I don't see any cars damaged yet. No cars are damaged. So everything's going well. Okay. Nothing crazy. It's just a sunny day. Oh no, his doors are open. Oh my god! What were you thinking? What is this? A bridge? Why is there a bridge on the island? Right? I don't see any cars damaged, though. I don't see any cars damaged. Oh no. He's gonna bump into him. Oh, he's bumping. Oh my god. I'm about to do it. Oh my. Oh my god. No, 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 no. What are you doing? I've been. What the? What are you? You serious? That's it. This cannot hold up perfectly. This can't hold. I'm choosing a different one. Nobody has this. No! No! Oh my god! I can't drive anymore. I can't go back inside. No! You stupid! God. Oh my god. What? What? Why did you just do that? These are nice. Whoa! It was flying up. We damaged. We have damaged ourselves. So, I guess you didn't really heal. Boom! Why is it driving to... Where is he going? Somebody punched Patrick in the butt. Oh my.
In this lesson, you're going to learn to say something nice. Easy. Great. So turn to Patrick and say something nice. Say something nice.
Patrick, you are not a just half a one.
No, try again.
Fine. Your color pink is not so repugnant.
Oh my gosh, somebody just got damaged. What is going on? Again! Again! It's a twister! This isn't supposed to be happening. A twister. And this has arms, so that's basically I don't have any trucks and redfish, okay? I guess that is it. Oh my god. What is it doing? Oh, these cars are damaged. Because I'm the big one. I'm the big one. Big rigs have like a wing. So it's not really big. This is very, it's not as a... No. I don't want to crash into somebody. Oh my. Oh my god. of here. Just get out of here. Oh my god. That was intense, dude. I'm sorry, whoever that is. Oh my god. Easy. Spicy. She crashed. Look at these guys. Oh my god. I didn't even flip over or something. Oh my god. God damn it. I'm gonna practice the people acting in the video. He's gonna crash it. He's gonna crash it. He's gonna crash it. Oh my gosh. Oh. He get the tip. They didn't even use a needle. Oh! Oh no! I can just flip over. Oh my god! Yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. So you want to see more videos? I'm gonna see some comments, likes, and subscribe. Bye. See ya.